Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to install the Pro version of the CoDesigner plugin. This is one of the best WooCommerce customization plugin that works with the Elementor. So if you are running WooCommerce website on Elementor, then this is one of the best plugin to customize your WooCommerce shop. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how to install and use the free version of the CoDesigner plugin. I have shown you different widgets that are available for the free version and how to customize your shop using the free version of the CoDesigner plugin. For example, in the last video, we saw how to use the filter option on the shop page, how to create the WooCommerce product slider like this. We have also added the grid layout of the products. This is the grid layout that is available in the free version. You will see it here. This one has curvy structure. Then we also created image gallery, sliding testimonials, a layout of the tabs. This is another layout of the tabs, and this is one of the image comparison widget. So in the previous video, we saw how to use these widgets in a free plugin. Here you will see the list of free widgets that are available. Some of them are for the shop, some of them for the single product, my account, cart page, pricing table, related products, image gallery, and cart. If you want to watch this video, I'll give you the link in the description box. In this video, we are going to work on the Pro version of the plugin. And the pricing of the Pro version is only $49.99. So if you're not using Elementor Pro plugin and if you want to customize the WooCommerce shop on your website, you can definitely consider the CoDesigner Pro plugin. There are 80 plus widgets available in the CoDesigner plugin. And if you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. If there is any discount coupon code available, I'll mention that in the description box. So let's see how we can use the CoDesigner Pro plugin.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website and I have already installed the CoDesigner Pro plugin. You will see it here. When you buy this plugin, you will create an account on CoDesigner website, and from there you will get the license key. So you need to enter the license key. Let me show you. Go to CoDesigner and then you will see the license option here. In this section, you will get an option to activate the license key. So you just need to enter the license key and activate the plugin. I have already activated the plugin. So let's go to CoDesigner. This is the dashboard. If you need any help, you can go to documentation or you can go to the customer support also. The next option is widgets. You will see the widgets here. All widgets, these are all widgets. These are the free widgets and these are the pro widgets. So you will see all these pro widgets are available. I'm going to enable all these widgets. So you just need to enable all and save the settings. If you do not need all the widgets, you can enable them one by one. These are the widgets for the shop page. So here we have shop flip, shop trendy, shop curvy horizontal, shop accordion. In the previous video, we used the shop curvy. This is the shop curvy widget. You will see it here. This is the shop curvy widget, which shows the grid layout of the products. Let's go to Pro version. Now, if you want to see the preview, you can simply click on this option here and it will go to the CoDesigner website and it will show you the preview of this particular widget. So this is how the shop flip will look. So you will see some 3D effects there. Let's go to the next one. Let's try this shop trendy. This is how the shop trendy widget will work. All right, let's close these options and let's go to shop smart and let's open the shop minimal also. So this one is shop smart and this is how it will look. And this is shop minimal. So you can see that there are many different options to customize the shop page of your website. So you can use one of these layouts to show the products on your website. So let's go to this page. This is the shop page we created in the last video. So I'm going to click on edit with Elementor and let me delete some of these widgets and we will add the pro widgets on this page. All right, so this is the product filter. I'm going to delete the product filter. Let's keep this one. Let's delete gallery. All right, so everything is deleted. Now let me delete the space also. All right, now we are going to use one of these shop layouts. So let's try the shop flip. So you can minimize all these basic widgets, and at the bottom you will see the CoDesigner widgets. So this is for the shop. Below that we have shop filter, then we have single product widgets, then pricing table, related products, image gallery, cart, checkout, and others. So using these widgets you can customize the checkout page as well as the cart page also. All right, so let's go to the shop option here, CoDesigner shop, and let's use the shop flip. Let's drag it and drop it here, and this is how it will look. All right, let me update it and let's see how does this look on the actual page. Let's view the page, and this is how it will look. You will see some 3D effects also. Let's go back and we can customize this one. You can click on this option, and in the left hand panel you will see the option to customize it. Right now it shows 3 columns. If you want, you can change it to 4 columns. Then we have products per page is 6. We can change it to, let's say, 12. So it will show 12 products, ascending order, order by ID. Then we have sale ribbon. If there is any sale going on, it will show the ribbon like this. You will see 10% off here. Then we have a stock ribbon. If you do not want to show the stock, you can disable this option. Cart button. So you will see the cart button also here. Then wish list button. You will see wish list. This is the wish list button. Then we have a view details button. So this is view details. So if I click on it, it will show the details, or it will go to that product page. Then we have pagination. At the bottom you will see the pagination. Quick view. If you want to enable quick view, you can enable it, and we need to select a template for that, and for that we need to create a template also. So I'm going to disable this for now. Quick checkout, enable quick checkout. Let's enable this one, update it. Let's go back to the shop page, refresh it, and now you will see 4 columns, a view product, and this is quick view. So we have cart, then we have a view product, wish list, and this is the checkout. So if I click on it, it will go to the checkout. Now here we have flash sale. If there is any flash sale going on, it will show that. Then we have barcoder. Let me refresh it. Select the widget. Let's go to the pre-order. If you want to enable pre-order, you can add the pre-order. Then we have badge, hide or show the badge. All right, so these are the basic settings for this particular shop flip. Update it. Now let's go back to the widgets and let's try other widget. This is the shop. Let me scroll down, and here we have shop curvy that we already used. Shop slider is also there, so let's add the shop slider here. Drag it and drop it here. All right, so here you will see the shop slider. It will show the products in a slider. So you can customize it, you can play with the settings. Right now it is showing 2 products. You can change it to 3, and it will show 3 products here. So it is just like the product slider here. So let's delete this one. Let's try another one. Let's try this one, Shopify. Drag it and drop it. So this is the new layout. All right, so it is pretty simple layout. Now I'm going to add 2-column layout, and in the second column I'm going to use a filter. So let's click on the plus sign and use 2-column layout here. Here in the first column we are going to use filter. So let's go to CoDesigner, and you will see the option here, filter, and it will be a vertical filter. So I'm going to drag it and drop it here. So you will see the filter in the left hand panel. Then go to the widgets again, and in the right hand side we are going to add the products grid. So it will be like, let's say, shop curvy horizontal. So this is how it will look. So you will see the filters here. Let me add some padding here. Select the column, let's add padding, and let's add padding to this column also. So we have got filters in the left hand panel. You will see the price filter as well as sort by title, category. Here we have order. Let's go back, select the filter. If you want to customize this filter, you can select the filter and you will see the options to customize. You can add product categories. So you will see the categories here. You can also select by tags, or you can also select brands. So you will see 3 different filters here: brand, tag and category. And these are the customization settings for the filter: auto filter, header, form action, search form. So we have a search form here. You can enter the search query and it will show the product there. This is the price range. You can filter using price. And in the right hand side, we have the product grid layout. And this is the curvy horizontal. You can again customize this one. You can make it 3 column or 4 columns. Product source will be shop page. So I have already explained these settings in the previous video. You can watch that video. Product image. So this is the product image. On click, it should go to the product page. And product description, we have some description there. Star rating, if there is any star rating, it will show it. Otherwise, you can hide it. Icon position is in the bottom side. You will see it here. Sale ribbon, if there is any sale, it will show it here. We have cart, wish list, pagination. You can add wish list. Let's update this layout. Let's go to the shop page and refresh it. Let's go down and here you will see the new layout. In the left hand panel we have the filter and in the right hand side we have the shop layout. So let's say I want to filter it up to $1,000. Apply, and it will show the products up to $1,000. So the filter is working. You can also filter using categories. So now it will show the products only from this category, earrings, and the price between $299 to $1,000. So the filter is also working. You can customize it. Auto filter is not enabled. Let's enable the auto filter and update it. Let's go back, refresh it. All right, now if I change the filter, you will see that I don't need to click on apply. It has filtered the product automatically. If I change the category, if I add necklaces, I don't need to click on apply. It is going to filter automatically. So this is what the auto filter is. All right, now let's go back to widgets. Let's see if we can use any other widget here. These are the widgets for the single product page layout. In the previous video, I have shown you how to customize the single product page layout using these widgets. If you are using Elementor Pro Plugin, you can go to the theme builder and from there you can customize the single product page layout. Let's go to templates and go to theme builder. We have single product page layout here. Go to edit. And this is the current layout for the single product page. You will see that we have already used one of the CoDesigner widget here. This is the gallery, the product image. You will see it here, gallery modern. This is the widget that we used from the free plugin. All right, so you will see all these options. This is the widget that we used, product gallery. Now we have add to wish list option available here. We can drag it and drop it here and you will see the add to wish list option here. We also have add to compare option. We can drag it and drop it here and you will see product comparison option there. Again, you can customize these widgets. You just need to play with the settings and you will be able to customize. We also have related products. We have added the related products option here. You will see it here. Let's update it and let's go to one of the products here. If I click on the product, it will go to the product page. You will see add to wish list option is there and product comparison option is also there. Let's go back to the CoDesigner and let's go to modules here. Let's go to free. So these are the free modules available: product brands, add to cart text, skip cart, variation, swatches, partial payment. So all these modules are available in the free version. If I go to pro, these modules are available in the pro version. So you can customize the email also. You just need to enable these options and save the settings. Now you will be able to customize the email that will be sent to your customer as well as to the admin. You can go to email designer here and you will see currently it is using WooCommerce default option. You can create a new one, customer invoice. Currently it is using WooCommerce default. If you want to create a new one, you can simply click on create one. And from here, you can create a new email using the CoDesigner Pro plugin. Here you will see different options. We have add to cart, pre-order option is also there. Bulk discount is available. Partial payment is also available. So you can start accepting partial payment. Variation swatches is also available. Add to cart. Product brands is there. Invoice builder. So you can also create invoices. So this is all about the CoDesigner Pro plugin. You can see that there are many different widgets and many different layouts that you can use to customize your WooCommerce shop in Elementor website. And the pricing is very low. It is going to cost you only $49.99 for one website per year. If you have multiple websites, you can go for professional plan, which will cost you only $99.99 for 5 websites. So if you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.